Welcome to the KeyLadder Wealth Builder program. This is an example of how a specific property, which we have chosen as an example, exceeds our client's goals. And it's, again, an example of how KeyLadder delivers. We'll start with a quick comparison between the client's initial goals, the initial analysis that the client used to make the buying decision, and then after the close, when all of the costs came in and we have the final calculations, how this project ended up. So let's start with a cash-on-cash return. Our client expected 8%. In the initial analysis and the buying decision was made that there would be a 9.5% cash-on-cash return. After the close, it indicates that there will be a 13% gain. This is in part due to increased rents. The cap rate started out at 7% with our client's goal, went to 9.5% initially, and ended up at 9%. It's still an increase of 2%. Our client expected to get $3,000 net income. That's after all expenses. You can actually use that money. Initially, our analysis indicated it would be $3,402, an improvement, and the final came in at $4,672, which was an increase of $1,672 to the initial goal. Regarding the 5-year return on investment, our client expected 80%. The initial analysis indicated that it would be 159%, and finally it shows that it would be 187%. Now, the 5-year return on investment takes into consideration a number of things, including costs going forward for things that have to be purchased during that period of time. But something could happen that cannot be planned for. However, that cushion of 107% is significant enough to guarantee, or almost guarantee, that our client will receive the 80% expected. This page is produced in the analysis. It's part of a number of products that are produced in our overall analysis for our client. This gives an overview of the property. It talks about the rents. It goes into the condition of the property. It goes to the deal itself and long term. Now, we modified this a little bit to show how it was concluded, but it's close as we present it initially to our clients so they can understand the property that they're going to be purchasing. This last document is, again, one of many that are provided. This is the overall summary and shows the results that this will be a 13% cash-on-cash return, that will have a 7.9% cap rate, and that the income, as you saw before, was $4,672. There are other details here I won't go into, the purchase details, the transaction, cash in the bank after closing for establishing a business, and the closing cost breakdown, among other things. Again, there are a number of other documents that are provided as well, including the year-on-year and a 5-year and a 30-year forecast in case someone wants to retain the property for that long. So thank you for watching this. This is just one example. It was not chosen because it exceeded our client's goals. It was chosen because it was a good property that actually did better than we said that it would do, which can happen to almost any of the properties that KeyLadder chooses. One of the key items that we look at going in is the existing rents and the existing cost of the property. We expect improvement over time. Some of that is forecasted in out years, but occasionally those improvements come much earlier. So please take time to watch the introduction on our website, go to other blog items on the website, and read and learn more about how to invest in residential rental property through the KeyLadder Wealth Builder program, or take one of our courses. Thank you.